Welcome. If you want to stay on top of your favorite content on Instagram, you'll love the latest update that lets you enable notifications for first posts and stories directly from your PC. No more missing out on those important updates, even when you're browsing from your computer. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you set up in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your Instagram feed. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon to access your personal settings and options. Next, in the menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can control exactly what Instagram tells you about, so you never miss what matters most. Inside the Notifications section, look for Push Notifications. Click on this to open up a list of all the different alerts you can manage, from likes and comments to new followers and, of course, stories and posts. Now scroll down to the section called First Posts and Stories. This is the new feature that lets you be among the first to know when someone shares something new. Click on the drop-down or selection box next to it and choose From Everyone. This means you'll get notified every time anyone you follow posts their first story or post of the day, ensuring you're always in the loop. And that's it. With these settings enabled, Instagram will send you notifications for first posts and stories right to your desktop, so you never miss a moment, whether you're at work, studying, or just browsing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Stay connected, stay updated, and enjoy everything Instagram has to offer right from your PC, from your